If you have been thinking about studying abroad, chances are that UK is already on your radar. But before you make any hasty decisions, let's slow down and explore what studying in the UK is all about. This is not just another pros and cons list, this is your complete guide to choosing the right university and course, understanding visas, costs, and life as an international student. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to expect, how to prepare, and most importantly, whether UK is the right fit for you. Let's start with the basics. The UK has 4 countries: England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and Wales. And each has its slightly own different education system. But overall, UK's higher education is known to be shorter, more specialized, and academically rigorous. At the undergraduate level, most bachelor's degrees take 3 years. If you're in Scotland, then it's 4. For the masters, the UK is famous for its 1-year programs compared to the 2 years you would have to spend in any other country. And the academic style? Less spoon-feeding, more independent learning. You will be expected to read, research, and come to class prepared for a discussion. This is great training for the real world, if you ask me. Choosing the right course and university. Here's the thing. In the UK, specialization starts early. You would be expected to choose your subject from day 1. So, spend time figuring what you're really passionate about. Because switching later isn't as flexible as in Canada or USA. There are 130 universities in the UK, but your shortlist should be based on 3 things: course content, location, and rankings. Some universities like Oxford, Cambridge, Imperial College London are world famous. But there are also fantastic specialized institutions like the London School of Economics for Social Sciences and the University of Arts London for creative courses. Let's now get to the main thing, application process. Most applications for UK universities go through UCAS. That's the Universities and Colleges Admission Service. Here is the flow. Step 1. Choose up to 5 courses or universities. Step 2. Write your personal statement. This is where you tell your story, your goals, and why you are a good fit. Step 3. Submit academic transcripts, English test scores like IELTS or PTE, and references. Deadlines vary, but for Oxford and Cambridge, plus most medicine, dentistry, and veterinary courses, it's mid-October of the year before you start. For most other courses, it's late January. And yes, you can apply directly to some universities, especially for postgraduate programs. Entry requirements depend on your course and level. For undergraduates, most universities will want 12th grade results that meet their specific grade thresholds. For postgraduates, you will need a relevant bachelor's degree and some work experience, especially for MBAs. English proficiency is key. Most universities ask for an IELTS score between 6 to 7 or equivalent. Costs and funding. Let's talk about money because this is often the deciding factor. Tuition fees for international students range from 11,000 to 40,000 euros, often depending on your course and university. Medicine and MBA programs are on the higher end. Living costs? The UK Visas and Immigration Department requires you to show at least 1,334 euros per month if you're in London and 1,023 euros if you're outside London. The good news? There are scholarships. Chevening, Commonwealth, Grade scholarships are some of the big ones. Many universities also offer partial tuition waivers for international students. Now let's talk about the UK Student Visa Tier 4 or Student Route. You will need a Student Route Visa, previously called Tier 4. Here is what you need to apply. Confirmation of acceptance for studies CAS from your university, proof of funds for tuition plus living expenses, English language test results, valid passport. The visa allows you to work part-time during term up to 20 hours per week and full-time in vacations. Post-study work opportunities. Here is where the UK has become a hot favorite, the Graduate Route Visa. After you finish your degree, you can stay back in the UK for 2 years, 3 if you have done your PhD, to look for jobs or start your own venture. It's a golden chance to get global work experience and strengthen your resume. So, how is life in the UK? Let's talk about culture, lifestyle, and support. The UK is a mix of modern cities like London, Manchester, and Birmingham, and historic towns like Oxford, Cambridge, and Edinburgh. Universities have active student unions, clubs, and societies, whether you are into sports, music, tech, or even Harry Potter fan clubs. You'll be living in one of the most multicultural countries in the world, over 150 nationalities on campus means you will make friends and professional contacts for life. Work while studying. Most student visas allow you to work 20 hours per week during term time. This is perfect for gaining work experience, building your resume, and for that extra money. Last but not the least, tips for Indian students. From an Indian student's perspective, get ready for independent learning and different styles of teaching. Plan your finances early, apply for scholarships on time, and most importantly, connect with Indian alumni who have studied in the UK. They can help you a lot. Studying in the UK can be life-changing, personally, academically, and professionally. It is way more about than just earning a degree. It's about building a global network and a family. If you are ready to take that next step, start applying, start researching, and maybe UK will be your next big chapter. Follow for more.